agree that what John Wayne Gacy did was vile and evil and awful. And if there's anyone who deserves the death penalty, it would be someone like John Gacy. I don't believe in the death penalty. I never did, and I never will. And I took on this representation not to get him out of prison, but just to save his life. And listen, when you make these arguments against the death penalty, you're not just advocating for your client, you're advocating for the other people on death row who may be next, who may have actual innocence arguments, racist arguments, and arguments of poor counsel.
Well, I think they have to focus on what they can prove. And if they can't prove something, why throw it out there? Why throw out that Donald Trump is involved in this when there's no proof that he is? Same with Bill Clinton. I mean, those people were there and there's a purpose for them being mentioned. But I think the prosecution wants to keep this case clean.
Yeah, just because a doctor messes up doesn't mean that the lawsuit is something a lawyer is going to bring, because there has to be enough money involved and enough permanency involved to take the case all the way to a trial.
We live in a world of lawsuits, and your home, whether you own or rent, can be a source of litigation if accidents happen. As an owner or a renter, you have a legal duty to protect people if you know or should have known about a hazardous condition on your property. Those criminals know what gets prosecuted and what doesn't.
That's right.
They're smarter than the lawyers, so they know. That's why they give the guns to the little kids, because they don't get prosecuted the same as adults.
All right,
so
now.
this is creating disrespect for the law.
Karen, are these laws working?
Well, we really don't need them. They're great in name, and I think that Schwarzenegger probably made some points in Hollywood by passing them. But we have stalking laws. You can't harass and intimidate.
Right.
You can't trespass on somebody's property. You can't batter or assault somebody. And you can't use their likeness for commercial gain. So there's all kinds of laws already here on the books that protect celebrities from these things. Is it obnoxious? It is. But we have a little thing called the First Amendment that protects the media in these circumstances.